Welcome to today's video on how to find government contracts for small businesses on SAM.gov. I'm Jessica, the Small Business Doula, and this channel was created to empower small businesses for big success. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we welcome you to join our community. I'm so excited because today we're going to be walking through the process of how to find contracts for us. This is so exciting for me because we need a guide to help us, right? If you're a small business owner like me, then you know that you're always looking for ways to increase your revenue. And I just feel like securing government contracts is a great opportunity. I am a government contractor. I have won multi-million-dollar contracts. So I consider myself to be an expert in this area. So we're going to go ahead and get started. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how to navigate through SAM.gov and also how to find and apply government contracts that may help take your business to the next level. So without further ado, let's dive in. So the first thing that I'm going to mention is registering your business in SAM.gov. This is so crucial because even if you were to go and find a contract that you're interested in bidding on, you won't be able to actually submit a proposal without being registered. So I say this because it's an imperative step that you have to take. We're just going to talk about it briefly right now. However, if you need like a step-to-step guide on how to walk you through it step by step, I have a video already. It's called How to Get Started in Government Contracting, where I walk you through step by step how to complete the process. Okay, it can be a little daunting when you're new to government contracting and not understanding the terminology, so I'll walk you through that process in that video. Be sure to check it out, and I'll also link it in the description box below. But first step is register your business on SAM.gov, and that's going to be the first step for anything, okay, in regards to federal government contracts. Okay, make sure that if you're not registered, that you have all the necessary information that you need ready for your business, and that's going to include like your DUNS number, your NAICS code, everything that pertaining to your business, as well as any documentation to show that the company is completely formed legitimately with your state. So that would be your articles of organization, as well as any other pertinent documents that you had when you formed your business. So once you've completed the registration process, then you'll be ready to really start searching for opportunities without any delay. So now that you've registered your business on SAM.gov, it's time to start searching for opportunities. This is the fun part. To do this, you're going to log into your account and you're going to click on the Contract Opportunities button. That is going to take you to a page where you can actually search for both pre-solicitations and solicitations. That may sound a little taboo to you, but don't worry because I'm going to actually define what the difference between the two are, okay? So we're going to use the search bar to find any opportunities that are specific to our business's capability and any interest that you may have. But there is a search filter inside of SAM.gov that we can utilize to actually kind of fine tune and generate in the system what we're actually looking for. We're going to dive into that next. SAM.gov offers several search filters to help you find opportunities that can match your business capabilities and interests. So to access those search filters, you're going to log into your account, provided that you're already there. We've already clicked on the Contract Opportunities button. Now what we're going to look for are those search filters. They're going to be on the left-hand side of your screen underneath Contract Opportunities, and what you want to do is expand those options. Okay, the first search filter that you should see, or that we're actually going to work with, will be the notice type. Underneath the notice type, you will be able to search for either pre-solicitations or solicitations. There are also other types of options that you can select. However, for this video's sake, we're just going to explore pre-solicitations and solicitations. Once we've selected those two options, or either or, you can use the next filter, which is the NAICS filter. The NAICS filter is where you search for opportunities that are based on the industry or the type of work that you're looking for. That NAICS code is what you're going to actually list, and it's most likely specifically the primary NAICS code that you registered in SAM.gov with. If there are other NAICS codes that you've attached your business to as well, you can include those NAICS codes inside of this filter box as well to search for opportunities. Now, after we have completed that filter, then we're going to go into the set aside filter. Once you register in SAM.gov, you can actually go in and get certified through the Small Business Administration as either woman-owned small business, HubZone owned, service disabled veteran owned. There are different types of set asides that you may qualify for. The last filter that I would like to just kind of highlight is the keyword filter, and that one's used to search for opportunities that are like specific keywords or phrases. You can actually use that specifically if you have a contract in mind that you If you have any questions, usually there is an option for you to contact the contracting officer that is listed in the solicitation and even the pre-solicitation, but keep in mind there is a time-sensitive date that is listed if it is listed inside of the notice, so you want to make sure that you're aware of that as well before you decide to move forward. Okay? If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and also share this with other small business owners. I tried to make this as short and sweet as possible, but if you need me to elaborate, drop that in the comments below. I'm always looking in the comments to see how else I can be of service to you all. So again, don't forget to join the community, like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, thank you for watching.